Priya and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all few products that I recently purchased from Amazon. So this includes both makeup as well as some body care products as well. So I'm also going to be showing you the demo of the makeup products, and this look that you can see here I've created using those products only. So yeah, if you want to see what all things I got, then please continue watching. Also guys, the Amazon end of season sale is currently going on, so you can find all of these products that I'm going to be showing you in today's video at some amazing discounts. So please check out the links that I've given in the description box for the same. Okay, so the first product is a set of makeup brushes by the brand called Electromania. So this is just an eye makeup brush set, and this one was priced at rupees 399. So you get about 12 different eye makeup brushes in this. So this is how the brushes look like. Okay, it comes with this kind of like a pinkish, peachish and rose gold packaging, okay, like you can see here. And the bristles of all of the brushes, all of as in like I have used about 4 or 5 brushes to create this eye makeup look, and whichever brush I've used, they are of such amazing quality. The bristles are very smooth and soft, and they blend the eyeshadows really well. And apart from this, it also contains 6 more eye makeup brushes. So basically these are all the eye makeup brushes that you'll ever need to create any makeup look, I would say, because it contains most of the basic eye makeup brushes. And also it was only for rupees 399, right, which is so affordable. So I am also going to be showing you more products, and then I'll show you a kind of a tutorial wherein I'm creating this makeup look, so that it's better to understand. Alright, so these are the first makeup brushes. The next makeup product is this eyeshadow palette by the brand called Rene. So this is the Rene Golden Hour eyeshadow palette, which looks like this. It's a nice mini palette. Alright, and when you open it, it does come with a mirror, which is really nice. And these are the beautiful shades that you would get in here. So these two are shimmer shades, and no, these 3 are shimmer shades. So this 2 as well as this golden one is a like these 3 are shimmer shades, and the rest 3, this one and this one, are matte shades. Now I really love the color scheme of this eyeshadow palette, because it's very neutral. At the same time, you can create a lot of different eye looks using this, and this is like the most I would say affordable, basic, beginner friendly eyeshadow palette. So this one was priced at rupees 569, which I feel is very good enough considering the quality, because these are extremely pigmented. Let me just give you a swatch of few of these shades. So like you can see here, the shimmer shades have like bang on pigmentation, and these shimmer shades work well both using your fingers as well as the brushes. And I have used these shades only, like this shade particularly I've used on my lid area. And now let me just swatch the matte shades also for you. So yeah, like you can see here, the matte shades again have beautiful pigmentation, and overall the formula of these eyeshadows are very creamy and buttery, and also they're like super pigmented as well. So you don't need like too much of product. You have to like slowly build it up, and you're good to go. So I have used both of these shades on my crease area, like you can see, and then I applied this shade right here all over my lid area. So again, I feel this is one of those like basic beginner friendly palettes that's really of amazing quality. So I would highly recommend you again to try this one out. The next product is a set of glitter eyeshadows by the brand called Mars. Okay, so it comes in this kind of an outer packaging, and it contains these 6 glitter eyeshadows. Okay, so the price for this entire set was only rupees 449, and you get in 449 you get 6 different glitter eyeshadows, which is so amazing. Also the quality is also really good. So I have used this particular shade. Okay, so there are no shade names as such. So I have used this particular kind of a copper shade, okay, on my lids right here. And again, the pigmentation of these glitter eyeshadows is really amazing. And for like 449 you're getting like 6 different shades. So there is like a silver, there's a copper, there's a rose gold, there's a kind of a deep orangish goldenish color, there's a bronze color right here, and then there's a like a classic gold. So I feel this set is again one of those like staples that you need to have in your makeup kit, because एक ही सेट में आपको सारे बेसिक ग्लिटर आई शेडोज़ के शेड्स आ जाते हैं, एंड द पिगमेंटेशन एंड द formula is also really amazing. So now what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be showing you a small like tutorial sort of a thing where I've created this eye makeup look using these eyeshadows, and I've also used these brushes as well as this eyeshadow palette. So let's start with the tutorial now. So to start off with, I'm taking this beautiful brown shade and this fluffy brush from the Electromania eyeshadow makeup brush set, and I'm going to be applying it all over my crease like you can see here. Next, I'm taking that slightly light color and applying it above my crease just to give that beautiful transition. And then I'm again going back with that same brown color to deepen my crease furthermore. So I'm slowly building it up just to give it that perfect intensity. And then finally taking that flat shader brush and that shimmery rose gold shade, I'm going to be applying it all over my lid color like you can see here. And like I've already said before, these eyeshadows you know, are very buttery, so they blend in very beautifully, and like you can see here, it is applying so well. Then I'm taking this fluffy brush again, and I'm going to be, you know, deepening my outer corners. So I'm going to take that beautiful dark kind of a burgundy brown shade, and I'm deepening my outer corners like you can see here. And again, these brushes are super soft, and even the eyeshadows work really beautifully, and like you can see, the blending here is so beautiful. And I'm finally going to, you know, blend all the colors again. Next, I'm taking this angle brush and applying the same dark shade just below my waterline like you can see here. And then it's time for the glitter, so I'm using this beautiful rose gold shade and applying it all over my lids, and I'm just going to slightly pat it with my fingers. And then just to bring it all in, I'm taking again the dark shade and deepening my outer corners, as well as applying a little bit of it on my crease. And this is how the eye makeup look has turned out. So like you may have already seen in the demo part, the brushes as well as the eyeshadows and the glitters are super duper amazing quality, and I would highly recommend you do try them out. Moving on to the next products. The next two products are by the brand called Kiro Beauty. So I got their Glow On Blush Duo, which looks like this. So it does contain like a coral color as well as a nice like dusty pink color. Now I really love the overall packaging of Kiro Beauty products because they are very sleek, okay, first of all, and it also comes with a mirror, so that's like an added advantage. Now this particular blush set contains like a coral color as well as a dusty pink color, so it's like 2-in-1 product. मतलब इसमें आपको क्या हो जाता है ना, it kind of saves your space also, और you know, it's perfectly like travel friendly because एक कोरल कलर भी होना ही चाहिए आपके you know मेकअप किट में, as well as डस्टी पिंक कलर तो एवरीडे पर्पस के लिए परफेक्ट रहता है. नाउ द पिगमेंटेशन ऑफ दिस इज़ नॉट लाइक वेरी स्टार्क, ओके, तो इसका जो मतलब यू हैव टू काइंड ऑफ बिल्ड अप दिस ब्लश ऑन योर स्किन बिकॉज ये एकदम भी ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड नहीं है, तो आपको धीरे धीरे से उसको बिल्डअप करना पड़ता है. ऑलराइट, एंड मेरे को पर्टिकुलरली आई लाइक यू नो स्वर्लिंग माई ब्रश इसमें ऐसे ही एंड देन अप्लाइंग बोथ द कलर्स टुगेदर because individually I feel this color doesn't really show up on my skin tone that much, but इसका दोनों का mixture when I do it does you know apply on my skin better like you can see here. But what I really like about this is that you know you get 2 shades at the price of 1, okay, so वो मुझे इसका थोड़ा सा अच्छा point लगा, so I was like ठीक है खरीद के देख ही लेते हैं. So quality wise it's decent enough. So yeah, this was the next product, and the next product by Kiro Beauty is this highlighter palette. So this is the Prism Perfect highlighter and it contains rosehip oil as well as calendula oil. So again like the blush palette, this also comes with 2 different highlighters. तो आपको बहुत ही like if you like observe very closely आपको थोड़ा सा दिखेगा this side is more like has a kind of a like little bit more pinkish goldenish tone, and this has like proper bronzy tone. So इसका नाम I believe is Sandy Rose and this one is Pearly Bronze. Okay, so same like the blush palette, you get 2 different shades in here. नाउ अगेन जस्ट लाइक द ब्लश पैलेट, इसका भी पिगमेंटेशन एकदम ही स्टार्क नहीं है, ऑल्दो सी दिस इज़ द शेड। ओके, तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सटल हाईलाइट है, मतलब आपको एकदम ही ऐसे लाइक बैंग ऑन हाईलाइट जैसा इफेक्ट नहीं मिलेगा, बहुत ही नेचुरल लुकिंग हाईलाइट है। तो मैंने दोनों शेड को स्वर्ल करके यहाँ पे लगाया हुआ है, सो लाइक यू कैन सी बहुत ही नेचुरल लुकिंग हाईलाइट आता है, मतलब एकदम भी ऐसे शाइनी ब्लिंगिंग इफेक्ट नहीं है, बहुत नेचुरल लुकिंग है। सो अगेन दिस वन वॉज प्राइस एट ₹720 एंड दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट। The next product is a hair product. Okay, so I recently saw the Schwarzkopf Oasis Plus Shine Spray. Okay, so this one was priced at ₹950, but on Amazon I got this for ₹817. So this is basically a shine spray kind of a thing, and it also has like light hold. Okay, मतलब when you are applying this product, जो भी आपका हेयर स्टाइल है यू विल गेट इट लाइक थोड़ा सा लाइट होल्ड भी मिल जाएगा उसको। सो इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग लाइक इफ़ यू हैव, सो अगर आपने कर्ल्स वगैरह कर दी है तो भी उसको एकदम हल्का सा थोड़ा सा होल्ड मिल जाता है। नाउ कमिंग ऑन टू द एक्चुअल रीज़न वाई आई गॉट दिस इज़ एक्चुअली लाइक अ शाइन स्प्रे। तो ये आपके हेयर को आइडियली थोड़ा सा शाइनी नेस देना चाहिए, बट पर्सनली मुझे कुछ वो उतना इफ़ेक्ट टू बी ऑनेस्ट दिखा नहीं। दिस इज़ गुड इनफ, लाइक बेसिक स्प्रे है, मेरे हेयर पे उतना मुझे कुछ शाइन वगैरह दिखा नहीं टू बी ऑनेस्ट, बट इफ़ यू वांट लाइक अ बेसिक होल्ड जो आपके हेयर को ज़्यादा ऐसे क्रंची ना कर दे, ठीक है, कड़क ना करे, देन दिस इज़ अ गुड इनफ हेयर स्प्रे। तो वंस यू डन सेटिंग योर हेयर, सो वंस यू आर डन लाइक आपका हेयर स्टाइल वगैरह हो गया है या अगर आपने कर्ल्स किए हैं तो उसको सेट करने के लिए आई फील दिस स्प्रे इज़ गुड इनफ, बट जो उसका मेन पर्पस है टू गिव दैट शाइन वो मुझे उतना ज़्यादा इसका इफेक्ट नहीं लगा। सो या दिस इज़ द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट। नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज़ अ मेकअप रिमूवर। तो ये तो दिस वॉज बेसिकली जस्ट अ रीपर्चेज। तो इसके मैंने इतने सारे बॉटल्स यूज़ कर दिए, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 15-20 बॉटल्स इसके ऑलरेडी ख़त्म हो चुके हैं। एंड दिस इज़ द गार्नियर माइसेलर water, and this is good for removing even waterproof makeup, liquid lipsticks, any sort of eye makeup, मतलब मस्कारा वगैरह कोई भी वाटरप्रूफ मेकअप अगर है तो उसको निकालने में बहुत अच्छे से हेल्प करता है बेसिकली। सो आई हैव यूज लाइक लॉट ऑफ अदर माइसेलर वाटर्स, बट आई ऑलवेज कीप ऑन रीपर्चेसिंग दिस, बिकॉज इससे ना मेरे स्किन में इरिटेशन नहीं होता है, मेरे आइज़ में इरिटेशन नहीं होता है, बिकॉज सम माइसेलर वाटर्स नो यू it kind of like kind of like burn your eyes, okay, when you're removing your eye makeup with that, but इससे है ना this is like a fuss free formula, and यही एक micellar water has been working really well on removing even the most stubborn liquid lipsticks, okay, so that is why this is basically just a repurchase, and this is for ₹120. then the next product is again by Mars. so Mars का ये मैंने एक highlighter palette देखा, okay, so it comes in this kind of थोड़ा सा हुडा ब्यूटी का कॉपी किया हुआ है। so yeah, this is the highlighter palette by Mars, like you can see here, and इसमें अगेन आपको मिरर आ जाता है, and plus you get 4 different highlighter shades. so this is more like a white gold, this is a proper gold, this has a sort of a bronzy tone, and this is like a brown tone shade. now to be honest मुझे इसका पिगमेंटेशन बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं आया, it's very chalky, it's very मतलब बिल्कुल भी इसमें कोई हाईलाइटिंग इफेक्ट है ही नहीं। आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू स्वॉच इट फॉर यू गाइस, ठीक है, तो ये मैंने लगाया है एंड मेरे स्किन टोन पे तो ये बिल्कुल दिखता भी नहीं है, इसलिए मुझे ट्राई आउट करना था, सो मैंने ले लिया, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई डिड नॉट लाइक द पिगमेंटेशन ऑफ दिस एट ऑल, एंड दिस वॉज प्राइस एट ₹319. एंड द लास्ट 2 प्रोडक्ट्स आर बाय द ब्रांड कॉल डेली लाइफ फॉरएवर 52. तो मुझे इनका बेस प्रोडक्ट्स बेसिकली ट्राई आउट करना था, सो आई गॉट दियर डेली लाइफ फॉरएवर 52 अल्ट्रा डेफिनेशन लिक्विड फाउंडेशन, एंड दिस आई गॉट इट इन द शेड FLF016. okay, and then I also got their wet and dry compact powder which looks like this, and this one I got it in the shade sand. okay, so it is WD005. तो इनका ना शेड सिलेक्ट करने में इतना ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्टी मुझे टू बी ऑनेस्ट हुआ, एंड थोड़ा सा पोपट भी हो गया मेरा, बिकॉज शेड अगेन इट्स लाइट फॉर माई स्किन टोन। सो ये जो फाउंडेशन है इसका प्राइस इज़ 742 रुपीज़, बट इसका फॉर्मूला अच्छा है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट वेट है, एवरीडे पर्पज़ के लिए ठीक है, बट इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर दैट फुल कवरेज विद दिस फाउंडेशन तो वो नहीं मिलेगा आपको। मैक्सिमम इफ़ यू इवन आर बिल्डिंग इट अप, आपको मैक्सिमम इसको यूज़ करके 2 लेयर्स के बाद भी मीडियम कवरेज ही मिलेगा, राइट। द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट विच आई गॉट फ्रॉम देम इज़ दिस कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर। सो दिस कैन बी यूज लाइक वेट एंड ड्राई फॉर्म में भी, मतलब इसको आप गीले स्पॉन्ज के साथ भी एज अ फाउंडेशन भी यूज़ कर सकते हो। सो दैट इज़ what is meant by wet and dry compact powder, and this shade again is good enough, हल्का सा लाइट है, so it's good for like setting the face with a brush, तो वो पर्पज़ के लिए काम आ जाता है। तो या दैट वॉज द लास्ट प्रोडक्ट। सो या गाइज दोज वर ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई रिसेंटली परचेज फ्रॉम अमेजॉन। ये सब के डायरेक्ट लिंक्स मैंने आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया है। सो जस्ट इन केस यू वांट टू परचेज एनी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन दोज लिंक्स and make your purchases. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. I hope you did like this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and I shall see you all in my next video. Until then, bye bye.